This is 3 Lower Grattan Hill. Powellproperty purchased this on behalf of a client, and we're just undertaking the vacant property grant at the moment. So we're in the process of undertaking that. You can see it's in a complete derelict state, and it's been vacant over 2 years. The hallway is extremely narrow, and there's a very steep stairs going upstairs. So we're looking to do some internal demolition, put in new stairs, and upgrading the property to a B2 rating. There was a coal shed at the back which has been demolished and taken away, and all the rubbish removed. This is the kitchen cum dining area, which would be great now for a before shot. There's also a sitting room at the front, but again the windows are boarded up, so just due to the lack of light we can't show you that. So this will be a full renovation, and it will be brought back into the private rental market. The grant stipulates as well that you need to stay in the rental market for 10 years. We're just upstairs in the property now, and you can actually have a look at the width of the stairs and how steep it is. Again, these how the houses were constructed previously. Now there's a new regulation regarding parquet, so the stairs has to be a certain width and also a certain gradient as well. So we're going to reconfigure upstairs. We can't really look into the front room because that's boarded up. There's actually stairs going up to the attic, so this will be removed. The landing area will be reconfigured. Again, you can have a look at the bathroom. It's like going back in time. It's extremely dated, and this is in dire need of a full refurbishment. So there's going to be a big reconfiguration here to allow for the stairs, new bathroom. So we're going to end up with 2 double bedrooms and 1 bathroom upstairs, and compliant stairs.